Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is CN Honor on the screen, and I'm making a very quick video, an official video at that, to inform you guys that CN Great Cancels and Forex Trade is officially back. Okay, it's official. I am fully back, and we're gonna be rocking it from now on. Yes, I made several videos months ago where I explained to you guys. I told you guys actually that something has been keeping me, and I am done with whatever that has been keeping me, right? And I am fully back for you guys. Okay, so we're gonna be rocking it in the next. Let's see how far we'll go in the next 6 months to 1 year, but be rest assured that you are gonna be making good money. You know how we do it on this channel. I'm so sorry that a weeks turned into months, and months turned into, I mean, it's roughly a year plus now, and I've not been so steady on YouTube. I've not been so steady on uploading videos, content the way I used to. But of course, I explained that not just once. Okay, I did that severally, and I thank all of you who all these months you've been so patient, and you've been coming around once in a while. Although I've been dropping some videos, but it has not been the way it used to be. Okay, and of course, in this game, consistency really matters. Okay, I know a lot has happened. A lot of you must have moved on in one way or the other, I mean, in your diverse ways, and I know a good number of you are doing pretty good, right? And thank you for as many that have been contacting me, as many that have been asking me questions, as many have been calling, chatting me up, sending me mails, and then wanting to know when I'll be back fully. I'm telling you now, CN Great Cancels and Forex Trade is fully back. Just get ready for me. So all I want you to do now, yes, I have tons and tons of videos, content, strategies, indicator-based strategies, you know, price action based strategies, trading approaches, okay, secret hacks, tips on how you can make good money from the forex market. But then I would like to get your ideas. So you're gonna leave in the comment section below, or you send me an email, or you contact me on Telegram, telling me the kind of content, the kind of video, the kind of trading approach, the kind of indicator, the kind of video you want me to make, you in particular. That way, I'll be able to know this is the area that my viewers, my audience have need to understand, okay, a particular thing. So I'm going to be making video on those topics. So I'm going to be dropping in the comment section, also via email, whichever one that you feel good, that resonate fine with you. Okay, just let me know suggestions on the kind of strategy, the kind of video, I mean, trading related videos that you want me to make, and I'm gonna do it. I'm gonna do it gladly, because yes, the year is actually coming to an end, but you can still make good money. Okay, last minute money, right? 11th hour money, right, is always sweet. 11th hour blessing is always sweet. But aside that, from now on till the beginning of next year, 6 months, 1 year, and only God knows how long, right? I'm going to be trading with you guys. I'm going to be releasing videos, tons and tons of videos, tons and tons of content that will help you leverage on whatever opportunity that's available on the trading platform, and then you make money from it. So please don't hesitate to do that. And also, share this video to as many people that you know that they have the need to learn, to understand, to have a kind of first-hand information on the secrets, tips, hacks. You know how, I don't need to explain too much, because you know how you do it. I mean, you know how we do it on this channel. Okay, now the fact that I've been away for some time is enough reason for me to come up with content that will draw my audience, and of course my viewers all over the world back again. I know we must have lost a lot, but we're going to regain everything. So I am fully back. And in case you might want to know, Aside trading, there are other things I'm involved in. Okay, I'm into academics, and then I needed to upscale, um, that area of my life. Well, that is exactly what has kept me for this long, even though it's a continuous stuff. But at least in the meantime, um, I'm gonna be playing down some things, right? So I am fully back for you guys. That's all you need to know about what kept me, right? So that's all you need to know about that. The most important thing is that TN Great Cancels is fully back. Now, if you look at my chart, this is not a strategy video, right? But I'm gonna be saying a few things about what you're seeing, okay? This is a trade that I've been running for days, okay? I'm going to be saying a lot of things about indicators. Those crabs you have been hearing about indicators and why they are not these, why blah, 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 blah. There are lots of secrets. Of course, we release secrets, hacks on this channel. This is a trade I've been running. Now, if you want this strategy, okay, like I said, you are going to be giving me suggestions on the kind of video you want me to make, but I have my list of videos, list of strategies I'm going to be releasing to you guys. But this particular one that you are seeing on the chart now, if you want me to release video on it, I want you to leave a comment in the comment section below. Say release it, and I'm going to be releasing it. I want to be releasing what you guys want these days. Okay, from now on, you tell me your need, you tell me the area you're lagging behind, you tell me whatever area that you are finding difficult in the forex market, and then I'll be making content on them in addition to my own personal contents that I've listed that I'm going to be releasing, right? So, but just know that indicator-based strategies can be one of the best trading, tool you have. But there are secrets, and I'm going to be making a separate video on that where I will talk, extensively on indicator-based strategies, right? We trade, versatile. Okay, you have to be a versatile trader. Of course, we combine a lot of things in trading. So I'm not going to make this video too long, but just take note that if you want me to make video on the strategy, this is a strategy. Okay, there are some of my strategies that I've been on. I have different devices, some that I've been on a particular device for a year, for more than a year, for 2 years, and they are highly profitable, and I'm not thinking of removing them from those devices except the devices spoil, right? So that's just all you need to know right now, and I'm gonna be saying goodbye because the video is getting long already. But the main purpose of this video is to tell you guys that CN Great Cancels is fully back and in full force. So I'm gonna be releasing at least 2 videos per week. At least it can be more than that, but we're not going below that. At least 2 videos per week from now on. So many thanks for watching this video, but don't forget to hit that subscribe button if you have not subscribed. If you are new viewer on this channel, you just came across this video, please hit that subscribe button, turn your notification so that whenever I upload a new video, you get notified. And if you're an old subscriber, my audience, please, I want you to comment in the comment section below. Tell me, welcome back to Young Great Cancels. And share this video, share to as many that you know that I'm, supposed to benefit from content from this channel. And then I'll be talking to you in my next video. This is Young Great Cancels signing out for today. Bye.